Yeah, so today I just discovered this rare gem of a place in Edinburgh. I'm just gonna walk around. You know, it's a beautiful discovery. I'm so happy I discovered this morning. These are some of the hidden gems you find in Scotland. Today I'm in Edinburgh to meet a doctor friend, and I just discovered here. Let's take a walk around. You can imagine the kind of, oh wow, look at that. You see that? Edinburgh is a tourist town, so I think that's a guide taking people on tour. Quite nice, beautiful. You can see everybody's touring. Ooh, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, where does that water end? Can you see right there? Ooh, nice. Everybody's taking their own pictures. Let's go down this way. Let's see what we get. It's very cold though. I have to tell you, it's cold, chilling. This is December. It's very, very cold here. My hands are freezing, but for what I'm discovering, I'll pay the price of the cold. Oh man, let me show you. Do you know what this area is called? Please, do you know what this area is called? What's this area called? Dean Village. This is a Dean Village. Oh, okay. But this is still Edinburgh, isn't it? It is. Edinburgh, yeah. It's close to the city center. I mean, 15 minutes? About 15 minutes from city, yeah. So there you go, 15 minutes. So I don't know what this is, but this is something else here. What I would love to know is the prices of these flats, because I believe this would be prime. This is a nice location, and I believe the prices would be very nice as well. I'll just walk till I get under the bridge, and then so this is Dean Village, Edinburgh. If this is the village life, I would love to live a village life. Nice, lovely village. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous property. Just sitting here. Wow. See this gorgeous property just sitting right here. Ooh. Wow. I'm sure this is somebody's house. Wow. So as I said, I'm just going to walk to this bridge, but I feel so tempted to just keep walking. Considering this is Edinburgh, parking is not free. So where I parked, I hope the parking attendants have not gotten hold of me. Oh, absolutely beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Ooh. This is nice, nice. I've walked past the bridge, I said I'll stop. I've walked past the bridge, I said I'll stop. But guys, this is so beautiful, I can't stop. I can't stop, I can't stop. I can't stop. This would be very nice to take a walk. If you're the type that likes walking, this is a very nice place for you to walk, stretch your legs. Come off, yeah. Live the city, busy city life. Just, yeah, cycle, walk, get some fresh air, get away from the screen. Woo! So beautiful here. Refreshing, very rejuvenating. See, everybody is just coming for walks. Yeah, so refreshing out here, so beautiful. See, very, very nice, nice, beautiful. Leave your spaces in the office, come out here, get some walk. I said I was going to stop behind that bridge as soon as I left that bridge, but I just can't stop, can't get enough. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough. Can't get enough. I hope I won't get lost on this walk. I need to stop at some point and let you guys come and discover it for yourself. Dean Village, Edinburgh. Beautiful. Let me get to this house and then I'll come back. Oh, my hands are freezing now. Gotta turn back here. Yeah, I've got cold freezing hands now. So this place is good for all sorts. Get your running shoes, run. Get your walking shoes, walk. Or just come and explore nature. Get some fresh air. Discover Scotland, Dean Village.